Did you know that one simple change in your diet could transform your muscles, sharpen your brain, and even lift your mood without spending a dime on fancy supplements or powders? The secret isn't hidden in toxic superfoods or trendy snacks. It's hiding in foods you probably already have in your kitchen, but most people don't eat nearly enough of them. Imagine this: a single meal could help repair muscles, boost your immune system, and even protect your heart. Intrigued? Stick with me, because today I am revealing 20 protein-packed foods that could supercharge your health in ways you never imagined, backed by real science. Protein is more than just nutrient for gym goers. It's the foundation of life. Every single cell in your body, from your hair to your muscles, needs protein to function properly. Protein plays key roles like repairing tissues. It helps your body heal after injury or exercise, building muscles and bones, essential for strength and longevity, producing hormones and enzymes, critical for energy, metabolism, and mood regulation, boosting satiety, helps you feel full, making it easier to manage your weight. But here's the twist: not all protein sources are equal. Some come with beneficial nutrients like omega-3s, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, giving your body more than just amino acids. They give it superpowers. In this video, we'll explore 20 foods rich in protein that not only help you meet your daily protein needs, but also provide incredible health benefits that can protect your heart, improve your brain, and boost overall well-being. 1. Eggs. Protein content: 6 grams per egg. Health benefits: eggs are often called a complete protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. This makes them perfect for muscle repair and growth, especially after workouts. But the benefits go beyond just protein. Vitamin B12 supports healthy nerve function and energy production. Choline, critical for brain health, memory, and mood regulation. Lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and harmful UV damage. Healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. For maximum benefits, don't toast the yolk. It's packed with most of the nutrients. Boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs are all excellent ways of enjoying them. 2. Greek yogurt. Protein content: 10 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits: Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse that's also rich in probiotics, friendly bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut not only aids digestion but also boosts immunity and may even influence mood and brain health. Additional health benefits: muscle repair. The high protein content makes it perfect for post-workout recovery. Satiety keeps you full longer, which can help with weight management and reduce cravings. Bone health: high in calcium and phosphorus, essential for strong bones and teeth. Choose plain Greek yogurt over flavored varieties to avoid added sugar. Add fresh fruits, nuts, or drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. 3. Chicken breast. Protein content: 31 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits: chicken breast is a lean source of high-quality proteins that's ideal for building muscles and supporting metabolism. It's low in fat but rich in nutrients that support overall health. Muscle repair: its complete protein profile supplies all essential amino acids for recovery and strength. Energy production: rich in B vitamins, especially niacin and B6, which help convert food into energy efficiently. Weight management: low in calorie. High protein foods like chicken can help maintain a healthy weight by keeping you full for longer. Now, you can bake, grill, or steam chicken breast instead of frying to preserve nutrients and keep it lean. Pair it with vegetables and whole grains for a balanced, protein-rich meal. 4. Turkey. Protein content: 29 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits: turkey is more than just a holiday treat. It's a powerhouse of lean protein that supports muscle growth and repair. One of its most interesting components is tryptophan, an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. This can help improve mood, reduce stress, and even support better sleep. In addition, turkey is low in saturated fat compared to other meats, making it heart-friendly. It's also rich in B vitamins like niacin and B6, which are crucial for energy production, brain function, and maintaining healthy skin. Including turkey in your meals can help keep you full for longer, making it a great choice for weight management too. 5. Lean beef. Protein content: 26 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits: lean beef is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. This makes it excellent for muscle repair and growth, but the benefits go beyond protein. Beef is one of the best dietary sources of iron, particularly heme iron, which is absorbed more efficiently than plant-based iron. Iron is essential for red blood cell production and preventing fatigue. It's also rich in zinc, which boosts immunity and supports wound healing, and B vitamins, especially B12, which are crucial for energy and metabolism and neurological health. Choosing lean cuts like sirloin and tenderloin ensures you get these benefits without excessive saturated fat, keeping your heart health in check. 6. Salmon. Protein content 25 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Salmon is famous not just for its high-quality protein but also for its omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which are essential fats your body cannot make on its own. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, support heart health, and promote brain function, including memory and focus. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which help maintain strong bones and support the immune system. Eating salmon regularly may even help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Because it's high in protein and healthy fats, salmon also keeps you full, making it excellent for weight management. Whether grilled, baked, or in salad, salmon is a versatile way to get high-quality protein and nutrients in every meal. 7. Tuna. Protein content 30 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Tuna is a powerhouse of lean protein that's almost pure muscle fuel. Because it's low in fat, it's perfect for people trying to build muscle without adding extra calories. But this is not all. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which have been shown to support heart health by reducing triglycerides and lowering the risk of arrhythmias. It also contains vitamin D for bone strength and selenium, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Whether grilled, baked, or canned in water, tuna is one of the easiest ways to get concentrated dose of protein while supporting your metabolism and overall heart health. 8. Shrimp. Protein content 24 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Shrimp might be tiny, but it packs a serious nutritional punch. Not only is it high in protein and low in calories, but also an excellent source of iodine, a mineral crucial for proper thyroid function and metabolism. Shrimp also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives shrimp its pink color. Astaxanthin has been linked to reduce inflammation, improve skin health, and protect against certain chronic diseases. Because shrimp cooks quickly and can be used in salads, stir-fries, and pastas, it's a convenient and versatile way to boost your protein intake without overloading on calories or fat. 9. Cottage cheese. Protein content 11 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Cottage cheese is one of the best sources of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles over several hours, perfect for recovery during sleep. It's also rich in calcium, which is vital for strong bones and teeth, and contains phosphorus and B vitamins that support energy production and brain function. Because it's creamy, low in fat if you choose the right type, and versatile, cottage cheese can be eaten as a snack, in smoothies, or paired with fruits to make a filling, protein-packed meal. 10. Lentils. Protein content 9 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Lentils are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, making them excellent for keeping you full and supporting weight management. The fiber helps slow digestion, which stabilizes blood sugar levels, perfect for preventing energy crashes. Lentils are also rich in folate, iron, and magnesium, which support heart health and improve blood circulation. Additionally, their probiotic fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system and stronger immunity. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you nearly 18% of your daily iron needs. 11. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans. Protein content 19 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Chickpeas are more than just the base of humus. They are a nutrient-dense protein source that's great for digestion due to their high fiber content. They help regulate blood sugar levels, making them ideal for people with insulin sensitivity or anyone looking to avoid energy spikes. Chickpeas also provide essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and folate, supporting bone health, metabolism, and brain function. For vegans and vegetarians, chickpeas are a versatile and complete plant-based protein option. Roasting chickpeas makes a crunchy, high-protein snack that's perfect for any time of the day. 12. Quinoa. Protein content 18 grams per cup cooked. Health benefits. Quinoa is one of the rare plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also gluten-free, high in fiber, and loaded with magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus, which support bone health and energy production. The antioxidants in quinoa help fight inflammation and protect your cells from oxidative stress, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Combine quinoa with vegetables or beans for a meal that's both protein-packed and nutrient-rich. 13. Almonds. Protein content, 21 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Almonds are a small but mighty protein source that also provides heart-healthy, monosaturated fats, vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. They support brain health and regulate cholesterol and can aid in weight management by keeping you fuller for longer. The antioxidants in almonds protect your cells from damage, while their magnesium content plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle function and energy metabolism. A handful of raw almonds a day can help you stay energized and satisfied while boosting your protein intake. Peanuts/peanut butter. Protein content, 25 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Peanuts are more than just a tasty snack. They are a protein powerhouse that keeps your muscles fueled and your energy steady. They are rich in heart-healthy monosaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also provide magnesium and essential minerals that support bone health, energy production, and proper nerve function. Eating peanuts or natural peanut butter in moderation can also keep you full, making it easier to control craving and maintain a healthy weight. The antioxidants in peanuts, such as resveratrol, can help fight inflammation and support overall health. 15. Edamame. Soybeans. Protein content, 11 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Edamame, the young green soybeans, often served steamed or in salads, are a complete plant-based protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. They are also high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. One of their unique features is isoflavones, natural plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, which can help with hormone balance, especially in women during menopause. Regular consumption may also support heart health, thanks to their ability to reduce cholesterol levels, making edamame a nutritious and versatile addition to any diet. 16. Tofu. Protein content, 8 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Tofu is a versatile low-calorie protein source made from soybeans. It's packed with high-quality plant protein and is gentle on the digestive system, making it perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Beyond protein, tofu is a good source of calcium, which helps support strong bones and teeth. It also contains iron for healthy blood cells and magnesium for overall metabolism. Tofu is naturally low in saturated fat, which means it supports heart health while helping you feel full and satisfied. Its mild flavor allows it to soak up herbs and spices, making it easy to include in a variety of meals. 17. Tempeh. Protein content, 19 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Tempeh is another soy-based protein, but unlike tofu, it's fermented, which gives it a firm texture and a nutty flavor. Fermentation process also makes tempeh rich in probiotics, which support gut health and improve digestion. High in plant-based protein, tempeh contains all essential amino acids, making it a perfect choice for vegetarians and vegans who want to build or maintain muscle. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, or iron, which are important for bone strength, energy production, and overall wellness. Regular consumption of tempeh may also help lower cholesterol and support heart health, thanks to its soy content and fermentation benefits. 18. Pumpkin seeds. Protein content, 19 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Pumpkin seeds aren't just a tasty snack. They are a protein powerhouse packed with magnesium, which is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production, nerve function, and muscle health. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals that can damage cells and speed up aging. The heart-healthy fats, mainly unsaturated fatty acids, support cardiovascular health, while their zinc content boosts immunity and aid in hormone balance. A small handful daily can contribute to better sleep, stronger bones, and reduce inflammation. 19. Spirulina. Protein content, 57 grams per 100 grams. Health benefits. Spirulina is blue-green algae superfood, renowned for its exceptional high protein content. It provides all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Beyond protein, spirulina is loaded with antioxidants, particularly phycocyanin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It may support immune function, improve endurance, and even help in detoxifying the body by binding to heavy metals. Just a couple of teaspoons daily can make a notable impact on energy levels and overall wellness. Whey protein supplements. Protein content 20 to 25 grams per scoop. Health benefits. Whey protein is a fast-digesting, high-quality protein derived from milk, making it perfect for post-workout recovery. It's rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are critical for muscle repair and growth. Research shows that whey protein can also help with weight management by increasing satiety, and it supports immune functions through bioactive compounds. When incorporated into a balanced diet, whey protein ensures your body gets the nutrients it needs quickly, especially after intensive exercise. Now, protein is essential for overall health. It's not just about building muscles. Protein supports your brain, skin, hair, hormones. Without enough protein, your body can't repair tissues efficiently, which affects energy and recovery. Animal and plant proteins each offer unique benefits. While animal proteins like eggs, chicken, and fish are complete protein with all essential amino acids, plant proteins like lentils, quinoa, and spirulina provide fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that promote heart and gut health. The secret is balance. Small changes make a big impact. Adding even small servings of these high-protein foods to your meals, like a handful of pumpkin seeds, a scoop of whey, or a portion of lentils, can improve energy levels, mental clarity, satiety, and overall longevity. Consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next.